Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something super simple. I'm just going to take these 3 old pairs of jeans and make a cute one. So before I even started this project, I envisioned making a pair of jeans with like a thigh-high effect. So I'm going to cut the first pair of jeans in 2 shorts. So I initially cut the pants by just eyeing it, but it wasn't short enough for me, so I'm just marking it. And if you guys decide to do this, I suggest you mark it first because it just makes it a little easier. Okay, so this is the second pair of jeans that I decided to use for my new pants. And I was kind of going back and forth on using these pair because I just love them. They're so cute, but the crotch part have always bothered me. So I was just like, you know what? Let me just use the pocket because that's the cutest part of the jean anyway. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So like I was saying before, I really wanted to create a pair of jeans that had like a thigh high effect. So I'm just testing out how that's working and I like it. And now I'm on to the next pair of jeans, and these are going to be, or actually no, I'm lying. These are the second to last pair of jeans that I'm going to use, and these pants fit so horribly on me, but the bottom of them are so cute. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to make that the bottom of my new pants. So bam, there we go. Yep. And since I have all my pieces together, I'm going to pin them so I can sew them. Okay, so now you guys can just sit back and watch me sew the first couple of panels together. Now that I'm done my first couple of panels, I'm going to move on to my panels down below. And then once I was done sewing my main panels, I just wanted to try it on and see how it looked, and I really loved it. I really wanted the jeans to be distressed too, so I'm just kind of giving you some Raggedy Ann vibes. And I decided that I wanted my jeans to be longer, so I'm gonna take a 4th pair of jeans, cut the bottoms off, and then once I cut the bottoms off, I'm going to seam rip them open so that I can just basically mold them to the new pairs of jeans that I'm making. Alright, so once I was done with that, I just took that panel over to the jeans that I'm making, and I'm just trying to see how much I have to cut off. And I'm going to cut off the excess, and then I'm going to take this panel and sew it together so I can connect it back onto those jeans. And once I was done fixing those panels that I want to put at the bottom, they looked something like this. And just like the other panels that I used for my jeans, I'm just going to pin and sew these on. Okay, so once I sewed the bottom panels onto my jeans, I didn't really like how they looked, so I tried to cut them open and create like a little split hem. But you're gonna see that I'm actually gonna end up taking these back out and resewing them to make them look a little neater. So once I was done taking those panels back out, then I cut them and resized them and just pinned them back onto the jeans so that they'll still have that split, but they'll just look a little bit more neat. And once I was done sewing those panels back onto the bottom of my jeans, I just wanted to press the seams out a little bit so that they'll look a little bit better and, flat. Okay guys, so this is the final result and they're so cute. Plus they matched that jacket that I made a couple weeks ago. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all later. Bye.